So I woke up a hot mess. My hair looks crazy. It's really frizzed out because it was humid outside and my head sweats a lot. So my hair was just like not having it. But for right now, I'm just going to get it out of my face until I'm done doing my makeup. And then I'll show you guys how I would style it. So for my brows, I did go ahead and do my brows off camera. But I did use the Benefit Brow Zings. So for the eyes, I'll be taking this eyeshadow palette by Pretty Vulgar, which I did receive this eyeshadow palette in my BoxyCharms monthly subscription box. And I also got this set of eyeshadow brushes. So the first shade that I'm grabbing is called Pillow Fight. And it's this shimmery champagne colored eyeshadow. And I'm just applying this directly under my brow bone. The next shade that I'm grabbing is called Flip Out, which is this brown shade right here. And I'm just applying this directly into my creases. And also I am using this shadow as my transition color. So I'm just sweeping that shadow onto my eyes in circular motions until everything is blended out seamlessly.
Tell me what you want to know. Me, I no go lose control. Bad man, I feel your flow. Wine, I'm slow. This one will be private show. Tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man, I feel your flow. Wine, I'm slow.
And now I'm going in with this darker brown shade called Swoop. And I'm only focusing this shadow on the center of my creases. And I'm just going to blend it out. For my lids, I'm grabbing this metallic gray shadow called Dark Side. And I'm just going to be applying this all over my lids. Also, I am going to bring it up towards the center of my creases. You can even apply it to where it looks like you're giving yourself a cut crease. But afterwards, I am going to blend everything out together. So that line that you see right there is just going to disappear. I'm taking this other metallic shade called Silver Spoon, and I'm going to be using this to blend out the creases itself. So I'm using that shadow to blend out everything together and make all the lines disappear. That way we have a smooth transition and I don't have any harsh lines on my eyes. Now I'm going back in with a clean blending brush and some of that transition color once more. And I'm just going to be blending everything out together. So like I said, I don't have any harsh lines and everything is just well blended. Now I'm taking a damp flat eyeshadow brush and I'm using this shade right here called Break Free. And I'm only applying this in the inner corners of my eyes so that my eyes will really stand out.
Standard. Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh, baby, I can smoke it out. Yeah. Say now you I want to see when I wake up in the morning.
And now I'm just going in with a black liquid liner and giving myself a wing. And then I'm going to be applying some lashes, and that's pretty much it for the eyes.
And I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me. And I be feeling you. Oh, baby, make you ginger me. And I go ginger you.
Now moving on to face. So I'm using this oil to hydrate my face because my face has been really dry lately, especially since the weather has been changing. So this product really helps with keeping my face hydrated and well moisturized. So I did use a different foundation today. This is actually my wintertime foundation because I get so pale in the wintertime, you guys. So that is why my foundation is looking a little light. I know you guys are going to point that out, so I'm just putting it out here for you guys. But by the time I finish contouring my face, you're not even going to notice that.
Like a biscuit. Oh yeah, dark she no they do me she get you want to come move fair. Now you I want to. Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh, baby, I can smoke it out. Yeah. Say now you I want to see when I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel.
And also I did try a different way of just applying my foundation in general, and I must say I really like how it turned out. Like usually I don't ever cream contour, but I did today, and I must say that I really liked how it turned out. Also, I didn't even have to set my face with any other contouring powders. Like I just left my face as it was, and you guys, my makeup was flawless. So I think I'm gonna stick to this foundation routine. If you guys want like a detailed foundation routine from me, let me know down below. But as far as the way everything turned out, I think I'm gonna stick to this way of doing my foundation because I really liked it.
wanna feel ya. Anything you do, make I feel ya. If I know if you do, I'm gonna talk up. Baby, you rock on. No need for protein, baby. Love you, baby. Dagu, party. I just gotta tell you, it's in my mind, you gotta know. Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh, baby, I can smoke it all. Yeah. Say now you I want to see when I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel anywhere that I be going. Baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you.
And now I'm just going in with some blush and then applying some highlighter to my face.
I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Original Batman. John Tricks on the beat. Girls, them a come, them a want, them a take her. Batman, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls, them a come, them a want it on the liquor. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga. Say she run another nigga. I who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. Move that, where you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar. Now you they mash up the place.
And for lips, you guys, oh my god, I am so in love with this lipstick by Huda Beauty. I don't have the name in front of me right now, but I will leave it listed down below for you guys. And I must say that I'm just so in love with this lipstick. Usually I don't like cream lipsticks, period. I would just prefer matte or something glossy, but this one I really like. And also what I love most about it is that it does not stain your lip that much once you remove it. So really a big fan of this lipstick.
Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you
time to actually get my hair on point. I'm so crazy right now. Yeah, guys. This is looking a hot mess. I think I'm just gonna do a bun. And then I'm gonna do a bun. And probably just like one curl the ends. I really don't know what I want to do yet, but my hair's been going through it for a while now, and it's finally like catching back itself. Like it's like my hair is literally just catching back itself, and it's finally ew. I got lipstick all on my teeth. Like it's finally just growing back. Like now I can actually be like, okay, I have some like it's in my back now. So to put it up, I'm going to use the Echo Styling Gel for my bun. Now I'm actually gonna take some of the gel. I'm just gonna like slick these pieces down. I don't know if I want like a too. The back of my hair, I don't ever gel down, like it's really slick behind here, so I don't need to put any gel in the back of my hair. The first time in forever that I'm even putting like actual gel in my hair. I usually don't. I have my little spool. I'm just gonna put this up. Great, got another one.
Now you they mash up the place.
And I wrapped it around 3 times. I don't want my hair too tight because then I get a headache. And now I'm just gonna take, well, first I'm actually gonna brush out this a little. And then I'm gonna use my curling wand, and I'm just gonna wand the ends of my hair.
Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pour me out, say she give me pour me out. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say,
and now I'm done. I'm just gonna take my hands and like pull out these curls. So kind of wanted to have some body at the starting point. So that's it for the hair. And I'm gonna take some edge control. I'm gonna be using this one right here. My little sister's in here, so if you guys hear, she just won't hush. So the thing with this edge control is that once you apply it to your hair, like, you really gotta work fast because it's so tacky. Mama, don't touch that.
Here.
Don't touch that.
Don't touch it.
Yes, don't touch it. Alright, this pretty much sums up the look. I'm just gonna go put some clothes on and get cute, and I'll be back to show you guys the completed look. Alright.
We finna have a good time, you know. And bomb like them.